When it comes to replacing your rubber watch band, the most important thing to do is get a replacement band that is the right size. Use this guide from Esslinger.com to ensure your measurements are as accurate as possible to order the right sport rubber band. The tools you'll need to measure your watch band are a ruler and an optional digital gauge. Before you can find the length of the watch band, you must first remove the old watch band from the watch case. For help on removing watch bands, check out these links. Once the old watch band has been removed, the first thing to do is determine the width of the watch band. You can do this in two different ways, and you can use either a ruler or a digital gauge to complete either of the width measurements that we suggest. The first way to measure the width of a watch band is to use the watch band itself. Take the flat end that usually sits inside the watch case and line it up against the metric side of your ruler. Make sure that one end is flush with the zero marker and then record the width of the band in millimeters. All watch band widths at Esslinger.com are measured in millimeters, so this will help you avoid confusion when ordering a replacement. The other way to measure for width is to measure the distance between the watch case lugs. In sport watches like this, the lugs will be hidden under the case and you will get the most accurate results using a digital gauge. Take the digital gauge and position the backward opening jaws between the lugs. Open the jaws until they sit snugly against the inside of the lugs and record the millimeter measurement on the display of the gauge. Now that you know how wide the watch band is, you can measure for the length of the watch band. Lay out the two pieces of the band so that the tail of the long end touches the end of the other band inside the buckle, like this. Remember to keep the watch band parts arranged so you know which side belongs where. Next, take your ruler and align the zero mark on the standard side with the end of the watch band that will be outside the watch case. Do not include the portions that connect to the inside of the watch case. When you've aligned the watch band with the ruler, read the measurement where the band stops, just before the other portion that sits under the case starts. This is the length of your watch band. With these measurements in hand, you can easily order a replacement band that is the perfect size for your watch. Check out Esslinger.com's wide selection of watch bands today.